Welcome to Plan B Trading. In this short segment, we ask the question, what is a Forex strategy? The dictionary definition of a strategy is a carefully devised plan of action to achieve a specific goal or the art of carrying out such a plan. In Forex terms, we need to buy or sell currencies in order to make profits, so the goal is profit. But that's not specific enough. Our strategy must be precise in what we are looking for to take a trade. It has to have measurable objectives. One of the key objectives is the ratio of the potential profit to the risk of the trade. To be professional in trading, it is important to plan your trade and trade your plan. Professional traders don't make it up as they go along. So let's see how this might work in practice. This diagram shows the price movement of the euro against the Australian dollar on the morning of the 8th of August 2012. This is a 5-minute chart. Don't worry if you've never seen a chart before. Once you've been trained, you'll find charts like this are pretty easy to read. There are any number of trading opportunities on this chart. The visual signals are described and defined by the strategy. On their own, visual signals are not enough of a reason to take a trade. Let's run through the signals from the top left, which was around 2 o'clock in the morning in the UK. Look at how the exchange rate reaches the dashed blue line on the chart and fails to penetrate it. An hour or so later, it's back again. We saw how the price fell away from this dashed line earlier. It's likely to do it again, which means we could sell this currency now. It then bounces on the green line. We could buy the currency back to the dashed blue line. And now it's back, we could sell it again, back to the green line. And then back to the dashed blue line. You can probably guess what comes next. Yes, another trade down to the green line. This time it does not bounce off the green line, but falls through and onto the pink dotted line. As it completely crosses the pink dotted line, there is another opportunity to sell this currency pair. Then in no man's land, there is what is known as a double bottom, providing an opportunity to buy the currency again. Then it bounces off the red line, providing another opportunity to sell the currency. All of these are possible trades, and they are all defined by different strategies that tell you exactly what to look for. You need to know which of these trading opportunities is worth taking and which should be left alone. This is done by measuring the distance from where you could enter the trade to where you would sell for a profit. The other measurement is in the opposite direction, which is the point you would bail out of the trade if it were to go the wrong way. You now have two figures representing the possible reward on the trade and the possible risk. Your strategy rules define what these two numbers must be to provide a worthwhile trade. The next part of the strategy defines how much money you should place on this trade, in other words, the amount of money to risk. If you have £5,000, say, in a trading account, how much of that are you prepared to risk on a single trade? Remember, you don't know for sure if the trade will run to a profit at the time you take it. Finally, you need to pull the trigger and enter the trade. The price will be moving, so the strategy defines the price range that is acceptable. Once the price has moved outside this range, it is too late and you need to remain on the sidelines. Making up the rules as you go along is a guaranteed way to lose money. Professional traders stick to the rules at all times, if necessary revising the rules. Collectively, the rules are part of the trading plan. Hence, plan your trade, trade your plan. If you still have questions, why not call 0203 603 4983 and talk to a trader now. Plan B's training courses, Trading 101 and Trading 201, teach you to read charts fluently, to measure risk and reward, plus the rules for trade execution. You can book your place on the course or have an informal chat with one of our traders by calling 0203 603 4983 now. You can find more information about coaching and our trading programs, and you can book online at www.planbtrading.com.